welcome back to my new video. Some people ask me if I'm mail order bride. When they do, I say yes. I order a lot of things through the mail for my wedding. In fact, I ordered my wedding dress through the mail. A lot of you probably want to ask, you already got married. What do you do with the wedding dress? I'm planning to give it away at my future panels or future meetup events. So I'll give away this wedding dress in the future. Before this video, I have a question for everybody. Did you get married? Please make comments down below. And the next question, is this worth buying over $1,000 wedding dress or over $100 wedding dress? I think a lot of you like me, not millionaire, not billionaire. I'm not kind of person to buy clothes that's over $1,000. Over $1,000, that's very much. A lot of people make over $1,000 per month, right? For the wedding, that's probably one of most events in our life. But still, I wouldn't want to spend over thousands to buy a wedding dress because you only wear it for a day. Wedding dress can cost over $1,000 or even over $10,000, but you can actually find decent and very beautiful wedding dress for $100. Yes, that's not expensive at all compared to $1,000 wedding dress, and a lot of them looking very beautiful. So except the wedding dress I'm going to review today, the other wedding dress I have, and I still like them. Of course, they cannot compare to expensive wedding dress, but they are beautiful looking wedding dress and the quality is decent. I actually have been wearing my wedding dress several times for different purposes. For example, like for photo shoot or for practice first dancing. So I wore those wedding dresses more than one time. It's still in good shape. And my mom's wedding dress is also over $100. It was not expensive at all, but it's looking very beautiful. If you watched my past videos about wedding dress, you probably know about it. I'm not saying that it's not good buying over $1,000 wedding dress. Of course, it is a want for if you can afford it. But for people who cannot afford over $1,000 wedding dress, or you don't want to spend that amount of money on the wedding dress, you can get over $100 wedding dress online, and the quality is not bad. It's decent quality. So let me show you the wedding dress I got this time, and this wedding dress is totally different than my other wedding dress. This wedding dress is more modern and is more sexy because it's short in the front and it's long in the back, so it's totally different style. I think it can be a great outfit for a photo shoot. The link of this wedding dress is in the description box, and the price is very cheap. I have never touched over $1,000 wedding dress, so I can't prepare this wedding dress to $1,000 wedding dress. For me, it's looking pretty good. So this wedding dress has a lot of layers. We need to go to Walmart to get a clothes steamer because the wedding dress is wrinkled. Today is also my birthday. I'm getting birthday ice cream cone. This one looks like a steamer. I have never used a clothes steamer before. I don't know how this one works. This one looks like water pot.
No, I'm sure that that's pretty much what it is. It says you can steam your briefcase. I don't know why you would want to steam your briefcase, but you can.
Some of them are made of leather.
I don't think you want to steam a leather briefcase. That sounds kind of weird. You can steam your chair, or you can steam your bed.
And pillow and curtain.
Dress and suits.
So you can steam your suit. So it'll be useful not just for the wedding dress. If we go travel, can we take this with us?
That is a good point. We need one for traveling at hotels.
When we go to conventions, we need one of those. Oh, here is the 1 cent steamer.
I want the 1 cent steamer. Turbo.
But this one is 55. Okay, I just back home. I hope this will remove the wrinkles. So the first thing, you add some water and then you steam it.
Because they shipped it in that bag, I think if a person were to get it,
Yes.
and if they spend the time steaming it, I think it might turn out okay. But they're definitely going to have to spend the time to steam it.
Yes. A long time to steam this dress. Now it's so much better and now it looks good. It's like the picture. This wedding dress is suitable for summer and the design is very unique because it's short in the front and long in the back. The shipping method is DHL. If you order standard size wedding dress, it takes 3 days. If you order customized wedding dress, it takes 2 weeks.
Can you just continue to wear that dress for the rest of the day? You look really pretty. I'm not hungry, but it's your birthday, so we ought to do something for your birthday, right? You are now an old lady.
I'm 27 now.
Old lady. Grandma. Should we go get those dentures? Fake teeth to replace your teeth because they're going to fall out now? Because you're 27? We can't forget the passports and stamps, just in case I want to send you back.